Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel Infotech. Today, we've got something truly exciting to dive into: the brand new iPhone 15. Apple has once again pushed the boundaries of innovation, and we're here to take you on a journey through its amazing features. So, without further ado, let's get started. Design and display. First things first, let's talk about the design and display of the iPhone 15. The design is a perfect blend of elegance and functionality, with its premium materials and streamlined profile. The 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display is absolutely stunning, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks for an immersive viewing experience. Performance powerhouse. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 is an absolute performance powerhouse. It's equipped with Apple's latest A16 Bionic chip, which not only makes everyday tasks lightning fast, but also elevates gaming and multitasking to a whole new level. Pro-level camera system. Photography enthusiasts, you're in for a treat. The iPhone 15 boasts a pro-level camera system. With its 108-megapixel main sensor and advanced image stabilization, your photos and videos will be sharper and more detailed than ever before. Plus, the improved night mode lets you capture stunning shots in low-light conditions. Privacy and security. Privacy and security have always been a priority for Apple, and the iPhone 15 takes it a step further. The enhanced Face ID technology ensures your device is secure, and new features like Private Relay add an extra layer of privacy to your online activities, keeping your personal information safe and sound. Sustainability initiatives. Apple's commitment to the environment shines with the iPhone 15. The device is made using recycled materials, and its energy-efficient design helps reduce its carbon footprint. It's refreshing to see technology and sustainability go hand in hand. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the remarkable features of the iPhone 15. From its stunning design and powerful performance to its pro-level camera system and privacy enhancements, this device is a true game changer. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you're as excited about the iPhone 15 as we are, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay curious and stay tech savvy. That's a wrap for today's video. If you have any questions or thoughts about the iPhone 15, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care.